Hi guys, many of our customers ask what is the difference between TJM Difflock versus your OEM standard Diff center. So today we'll be covering a video trying to explain the main differences between TJM Prolocker versus your OEM standard differential which comes in a vehicle. This is a TJM Difflock and this is the one which we remove from a OEM vehicle, and we'll be today dismantling both the differentials and showing the actual differences, internal differences, and the pros versus cons of both differentials so you can make an informed decision. Before we move towards the tear down video, I would like to explain what comes in a box or a kit which one puts together. So in the kit is the main unit itself is the TJM Prolocker Diff Center. This is an air operated air locking differential. What that means is it has an air compressor included. Now this air compressor gives compressed air to lock the differential. The actual locking mechanism I'll be going much deeper into when I strip the complete differential out, and I'll be explaining you how the locking mechanism works and it does not work basically. So this is the locking ring, and this is the actuator which actuates the locking ring to and fro between the locked and unlocked modes. Original Koyo bearings, these are made in Japan, and these are the original units which come in the bearing kit itself. Stronger and longer crown gear bolts. These are needed because our differential is thicker when compared to OEM units. All the airline fittings, the switches, and the solenoid units, and air hoses basically. So that's what comes in a kit, and now we'll be moving to the strip down video showing you what's the main difference internally.